then position. So now we're looking at the physical position this is recorded at in space. So like what user frame we're using, what user tool we're using is right here. User frame 0, user tool 1. Most of the time you'll almost always have like a user frame number. So like this frame number would be in accordance with this fixture here. So if ever anybody wanted to move this fixturing, they would reteach the user frame, and then all the positions would follow. They wouldn't have to reteach every single position. Because for example, this tooling here has at least like 9 positions in it that are taught. So we'll add another point. So we'll also make this a linear point and also find. Again, these find positions are what kind of will help you define. So when you're reading through a program and then you see find positions, you should know that the robot is handing something. It's either approach position or it's an at position. So now one thing I want to point out here is, see we have 2 at positions? The reason why is I just recorded both these positions at the same position. So the robot is physically at these positions. So I'm going to click position. And so what we need to do is modify the Z. So like let's say first I want to alter this position to be the pickup position. Okay, so I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna look at, by the way, I'm using the right clicker and the scroll wheel. So scroll wheel gives you the pan to move back side to side, and the right clicker gives you the ability to rotate. So that just helps you kind of like move around in Roboguide a little bit.